Hi guys! In this video, I am going to review the top 5 best food processors just for you. Here, I have tested 5 different best food processors to see which one offers value for your money. If you are looking for a good product in terms of quality and price, then all of them are reasonable. These products are budget-friendly and offer the best of the best. Here is a summary of each product's usefulness, why you should buy it, and what to watch out for. I have compiled a list of these 5 best products based on my user experience to help you make a quick decision as a buyer. So let's get started.
Product number 1. Ninja Kitchen BL770 Mega Kitchen System. This Ninja BL770 is hands down one of the most versatile appliances I've used, blending smoothies, preparing dough, and processing veggies all in one go. The powerful 1500-watt motor means even frozen fruit and ice become creamy smoothies without struggle, and the large 8-cup processor bowl keeps up with family-sized meal prep easily. I found that the variety of attachments lets me switch from smoothies to dough in seconds, which is a huge time saver in daily cooking. It's not the quietest machine, the strength comes with noise, and if you're tight on counter space it can feel big, but that's the trade-off for the performance. Compared to single-function processors, its multifunction design replaced 3 gadgets on my counter, so the price felt very fair for that utility and the convenience of fewer tools overall.
Product number 2. Ninja BN601 Professional Plus Food Processor. The Ninja BN601 strikes a great balance between power and price for anyone serious about food prep. Its strong 1000 peak watt motor and 4 Auto IQ preset programs make chopping, slicing, shredding, pureeing, and even dough mixing feel effortless. Just touch a button and it gets consistent results, which is something I really enjoyed for daily cooking tasks. The 9-cup capacity was huge for meal prep and entertaining, so I didn't have to process ingredients in batches. Unlike many basic processors, it includes reversible slicing and shredding discs that genuinely cut prep time. On the downside, if you already have a high-end blender, this doesn't replace that. It stays focused on processing. But the performance per dollar is excellent and gives you a professional-level feel without spending pro appliance money.
Product number 3. Ninja BN751 Professional Plus Duo. The Ninja BN751 impressed me with its smoothie and extraction focus, but also stands up as a capable processor. With a 1400 peak watt motor and 3 Auto IQ programs, it blitzes ice, frozen fruit, and fibrous greens into silky drinks. The 72-ounce pitcher with big to-go cups was great when making multi-servings for family or post-workout drinks. While not as processor-centric as the BN601, it still handled basic chopping and prep tasks effectively, and cleanup was easy thanks to dishwasher-safe parts. The BN751 skews a bit more towards blending skill. If you're heavy on food processing tasks like slicing lots of veggies or making dough often, pair this with something more processor-focused. For blended drinks, dips, and everyday chopping, it offered great value for its power and convenience.
Product number 4. Cuisinart DLC 2ABC Mini Prep Plus Food Processor. The Cuisinart Mini Prep Plus DLC 2ABC was the compact workhorse I turned to for everything quick and small: herbs, nuts, dressings, or grinding cheese. Its simple push-button control and reversible stainless steel blade make it very intuitive. I often reached for it when a recipe only needed a few ingredients chopped rather than pulling out a larger machine. Cleaning is very easy with dishwasher-safe parts, and its compact footprint means it fits easily even in a crowded cabinet. That said, the capacity is small, so it's not suited for larger batches or heavy dough tasks, but that's exactly where its price tag makes sense. For basic daily kitchen prep, the Cuisinart delivers reliable results quickly without the complexity of multi-speed controls.
Product number 5. Hamilton Beach 70730 Food Processor. My experience with the Hamilton Beach 70730 was pleasantly surprising for its price point. Its large 10-cup bowl and built-in bowl scraper made handling veggies, cheese, and fruit easy without constantly stopping to scrape down sides, a feature I didn't realize I'd love until I used it. The 450-watt motor isn't as powerful as Ninja, but it handles firm produce and standard prep tasks very well. I did notice it can struggle a little with softer items like tomatoes if I wasn't careful, and the cleaning around the lid's grooves sometimes required a bit more attention. Still, for
For everyday chopping, slicing, shredding, and basic dough mixing, it offered excellent utility for the price, often significantly lower than premium brands.